What do you want to become when you've grown up? One thing
Uh,
that
b- an astronaut.
an astronaut. Yeah, I could make up that. Not a grandmaster in chess.
Yeah. Actually, both. I want to also become the grandmaster.
You also become the grandmaster. So you can achieve both the things. I feel you have that caliber in you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first thing I'm gonna show is this. Second,
What is
my
this?
chess trophy. The third
Wow.
is my universe book, and the fourth is my map.
Okay. So you have to describe everything to me one by one. Okay.
Okay. First, first space. First, I have this space object. It's basically just like a space shuttle called Atlantis from NASA.
Oh wow. Amazing. So from where did you get this?
I got it from when I went to NASA at Florida. I got it.
Wow.
Second thing I like the chess. This is my chess trophy. My first trophy I got.
Okay. When did you get it?
Yeah, I don't remember, but I got it from the chess tournament.
And from where are you taking these online classes?
Yeah, I take it from the BaaBee, and my teacher name is Arkish.
Okay, that's great. And one thing that you like about the classes?
Yeah, I like how they like explain everything good.
Okay. And why do you like chess so much? You're very passionate about it, right?
Because it's a challenging game. It challenges your brain.
Challenges your brain. And it trains your mind as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. That's amazing. And what about the map that you were showing me back there?
Oh, that map. This is a map of the solar system we live in. So there are 8 planets in our solar system that we know of.
Right? Yeah, tell me.
So first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
And why do you like exploring about space that much? What is it
Because it
that drives you?
because we haven't explored much of space.
Yeah, there's much to be explored.
We only explored just like our galaxy. My fourth thing is this thingy. The
It.
I got
Also,
this. I did this. This book is about space. It's called The Mysteries of the Universe.
oh, and what?
And
Okay, amazing.
it
Have you read it? All of it or some of it?
yeah, I read it all, and it's 224 pages long.
Oh my God, and you read it the whole of it.
Yeah, and also, but there are a lot of it tells about a lot of things.
Okay, so tell me, like, share some of the interesting facts that you have read in the book.
And this of the interesting thing
Yeah, share.
is first of the Milky Way. So I learned that the galaxy we live in is the Milky Way, and it's called the Milky Way because it looks whitish, just like milk,
Right, right, right. That's interesting. What
and
else?
it has 250 to 400 billion stars.
Oh, good,
Yeah.
good, good. Tell me
Okay.
more.
Second, I learned is the closest galaxy to us is called the Andromeda Galaxy.
Okay, so do you like watching movies as well, Manit?
Yeah. So I watched the space movies.
You watch space movies. Name me one.
Yeah. One of them is the Universe. It's called the Universe. But I also watched the one chess movie.
Which one?
It's called Magnus.
Okay. And what was it about?
It's about like how Magnus Carlsen became the world champion.
Oh,
I was born in Virginia. I'm still in Virginia.
okay. And what about your parents?
Yeah, but they came from New Delhi, India.
Delhi, India. And how long has it been? How many years?
I don't know. It's been like around 15 years.
15 years. Okay. So have you been to Delhi, India, anytime?
No,
No, you
but
have.
I am planning to go there
Yes,
soon.
you should. You should. I'll accompany you for sure. Yeah. So no, no. Tell me about India. What is one thing that that makes you kind of visit India?
So so I will do two things. First, I like all the spices there. Do you know them?
Yeah, I know the spices, of course.
And second, I like the Taj Mahal because it's made out of white marble.
Oh, what do you like? Which is the other thing? Can you repeat it for me?
The Taj Mahal, I said,
Okay, yeah, in Agra.
because it's made out of white marble and it is in New Delhi.
Yeah, no, it's in Agra, right? And it is the seventh wonder of the world.
Yeah, it was built around 1633.
Yes, great. Tell me more about you. Anything that is missed out?
Yeah, that's everything.
That's everything? Okay, great. So, Manit, thank you so much for your time. I had a great time speaking to you, and I hope you had a nice time too with me.